You want to learn reputation management? Well, here's 7 best reputation management courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Reputation Management. Control Your Name Google Search by Udemy. This course will provide you a step-by-step method to maintain and manage your online reputation. Topics covered are: why we all should care, what is preemptive reputation management, anatomy of your brand, types of pages that rank in Google, how to control online reputation, social media accounts, creating impressive vanity search result, how to rank your assets, creating new opportunities, how to control your image search results, Google misspellings, and celebrity names. You will be able to use Google for personal and professional growth. You will learn to manage online reputation easily. You will learn to establish your brand name search results. You will learn to spy on your competitors. You will learn to manage social media effectively. The course is for everyone, since managing reputation effectively is necessary for all, be it writers, authors, public figures, celebrities, job seekers, business owners, etc. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Online Reputation Management. Negative Business Reviews by Udemy. This course teaches you different techniques to overcome negative reviews to gain sales. Topics covered are: understanding reputation management, why it's important, negative business reviews, local listings, map websites, very bad reviews in search engine results, earning better reviews. You will be able to understand online reputation management. You will learn the necessity of reputation management. You will learn to remove negative reviews. You will learn to boost your business by reputation management. You will learn to include sales and gain happy customers. The course is for anyone suffering from negative reviews online. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Mastering Online Reputation Marketing and Management 2.0 by Udemy. This course simply teaches you to improve your Google SEO. Topics covered are: why online reputation is vital, do people actually trust reviews? Reputation marketing versus management, good reputation, low reputation, bad reputation, 4 pillars of reputation management, benefits of keyword-rich reviews, how to rank higher in Google Maps, how to outsource, proven reputation management strategy. You will learn the necessity of online reputation management. You will learn to optimize your Google business listings. You will learn to gain 5-star reviews from customers. You will be able to select the company to work with. You will learn to create various strategies to maintain reputation. The course is for anyone interested to learn the skill of reputation management. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Online Reputation Management for Personal Brands by Udemy. This course teaches you to maintain a reputation for brands and help them grow. Topics covered are: basics of ORM for personal brands, removing negative content, burying negative content, testimonials, and reviews. You will learn how ORM works for individuals. You will learn the fundamentals of reputation management. You will learn to remove bad reviews. You will learn to maintain a solid brand image. You will learn to audit negative media. The course is for anyone who wants to learn online reputation management for individuals and personal brands. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Reputation Management. How to remove bad reviews online by Udemy. This course gives you a chance to learn how you can clean up your online reputation. Topics covered are: editing the postcard, creating through bad review form, installing the portal, flagging inappropriate reviews, copyright loophole, researching authority sites, using Drop My Link, advantage of expired domains, running a press release. You will gain information about editing postcards. You will learn to bury negative reviews. You will learn to increase your rating. You will learn to boost your online reputation. You will learn to attract more customers. The course is for everyone affected due to bad reviews. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Basics of Influencer Marketing and Online Reputation Management by SkillUp, free course. This course teaches you how to influence the market as well as to maintain the reputation in this digital age. Topics covered are: basics of influencer marketing, social media influencing, reputation management, finding influencers, engaging with audience, influencer collaboration. You will be able to understand the role of reputation management. You will understand the marketing influence. You will learn various tools and techniques used for reputation management. You will learn to create a mark through your business. You will be able to learn the best quality content for free and earn a course completion certificate. The course is for anyone desiring to learn about marketing and reputation management. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about brand management, click on the I button. 7th course, Online Reputation Management by YouTube, free course. This course provides you the fundamentals of ORM and its benefits. Topics covered are: what is ORM, strategies, services, tools. You will learn the fundamentals of ORM. You will learn the strategies used. You will be able to use the tools for reputation management. You will learn about reputation management services. You will learn the quality content for free. The course is for beginners wanting to learn about ORM easily and quickly. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.